Best practice benchmarking can be used by in-house teams with people that employ their own cleaners. It can be used by clients with contracted services, and it can be used by contractors themselves. Most clients start with a one-off benchmark review where they're looking at all aspects of their current service delivery at an individual site or contract. And we're looking at the cleaning standards, obviously the output, but then beyond that we're looking at the specification and the schedules to really understand what gets cleaned, when it gets cleaned, how it gets cleaned, what works, what doesn't, and why. We look at the methods, the equipment, the processes generally to understand the productivity and how it might be maximised. Beyond that, we look at the costs. Are they open? Are they transparent? Are they value for money, bearing in mind the output that's being achieved? From a compliance point of view, we're looking at health and safety, employment terms, and entitlement to work. And from a staffing point of view, we're looking at how staff have been recruited, how they're inducted, how they're trained, how they're monitored, how they're supervised, and how they're engaged generally. And this all results in a report summary, a detailed gap analysis, and a smart action plan, where all those elements are compared against other best-in-class providers.
Once a client has completed an initial benchmark review, we can help with as much or as little support as is required to put the recommendations in place. This can include specifications and schedules, whether they are input or output based, and lists of key performance indicators. It could include cost improvement programs where a client wants to cut costs, or for example finding ways to fund the uplift in the voluntary living wage. We can help with the repatriation of services where a client wants to manage the service in-house. Equally, we can help with outsourcing or retendering of services for private clients or public sector clients using the OJEU process. We can supply staff engagement and training programs, specify equipment, and conduct product assessments. We can provide independent cleaning quality assessments and manage Lean Six Sigma projects.
Finally, we offer an iClean site certification programme consisting of 6 monthly reviews, benchmarking against best practice to deliver continuous improvement. Often from the initial review we can find some quick and easy wins. However, ongoing benchmarking can find some of the more cultural opportunities that may be out there. Ultimately, it's about finding the most effective and efficient ways to clean and demonstrate value for money. This helps manage the stakeholders' perception and also indicates the good job that the cleaning staff are actually doing. On our website we've got many case studies and testimonials covering a wide range of sectors. Why not give us a quick call for a quote or indeed to explore our services a bit further.